Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the first time stop at my channel. My name is Atineke. So guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are cool. So I'm going to put you through this lovely amazing headband DIY wig. We are in summer period now, so you can easily rock this wig during this summer period. So the line I show you guys is those line where the starting and the stopping, that will be, if you want it to be at the front of your ear, that will be better. If it's at the back of your ear for the stopping point, it won't be, as in, it won't come out beautiful, which you're going to see what I'm talking about towards the end of this tutorial. I try to do a voice over for this tutorial so that you can understand the tutorial better. That is the starting point, ear to ear. Make sure when you put on the headband, make sure you mark the starting point from the front of your ear, not the back of your ear. You understand? So that is why I need to explain better if you want it to come out so beautiful. And it depends how you want the volume of this hairstyle to look like. I said hairstyle, sorry, of this wig, because it's a wig, of this wig to look like on you. Like mine, I don't want it to be obvious that it's a headband wig, so I make it scanty like a bone straight, you understand? Then I use only one pack of this Brazilian wool. I use only one pack, and this Brazilian wool, as in the way it's sleek, you won't know when it's on me that is actually a synthetic hair. You won't know. And it takes, as in, very easy to straighten than braiding hair. That is what I want to put out there. I already crocheted first line. That was the demonstration I was trying to show you guys. Then the second line, do not crochet at the back. Just crochet from, how will I put it, is when I put it on, you're going to understand. I won't be crocheting at the back of the second line, because if you crochet at the back, it's going to be bulking. You won't feel comfortable when putting on the headband wig. It must not be too full at the back, you understand? Because you know you're going to throw it at the front, nothing will be at the back when you're rocking it, you understand? It's going to lie flat on you, which you understand when you see the final results of the hair. So that is it, guys. And make sure you crochet tiny amount of hair. And this Brazilian wool is very easy to crochet. One knot is okay. You don't need to knot it twice. It won't unravel at all. Also, guys, please and please do not forget to subscribe to my amazing channel. I really appreciate that so much. I really want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for the great support, for the amazing support. Keep on watching, guys.